Welcome, today I'm with Realme C25Y and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down here to the security section. Now just here you can see the SIM card lock section. Go there and tap just on the lock SIM card switcher, and now just type here your currently password. In my case that's from 1 to 4, and tap to OK. And as can you see, your SIM pin is disabled at the moment. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.